Hi guys, do you know that most people fail to grow Mondia White? Here is the mistake. The problem is usually the seeds. Use mature pots. They should be brown, slightly dry, and naturally opening. Inside are seeds with silky hairs. Before planting, remove the hairs by rubbing the seeds gently as showing. Use well-drained soil. A good mixture is topsoil, sand, and compost. Plant seeds 1 to 2 centimeters deep into the soil. Keep soil moist, not soaked. Provide partial shade. Avoid harsh sunlight. Germination takes 2 to 4 weeks to experience. If you want quality seeds, roots, or powder, message Jibril Enterprise for local and international delivery. Follow for more practical farming guide. Bye bye for now.